Alhamdulillah, this morning the Damascena rose in my garden has started to bloom.
Its captivating beauty and delicate fragrance are signs of Allah's greatness. The Damascena rose, also known as the Toif rose, is one of the most special flowers in the world. Its soft fragrance comes from the natural essential oils produced by its petals. Subhanallah, Allah has created it with both beauty and incredible benefits.
والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
And grain having husks and scented plants. So, which of the favors of your Lord would you deny? Al-Qur'an Surah Ar-Rahman, verses 12 to 13.